I mean, you just peel the lime, stick it in there, put it in like a mason jar, close it, because it'll evaporate. It'll like start breaking down. There's only a few that I know will last.
Oh, can I do that demo?
How ready do you feel on a scale from 1 to 10?
I don't know, because I don't know what ready's supposed to feel like, because I've never done it before.
Yeah, look, all of my friends going crazy. I gotta brag on myself, I amaze me. I know I'm guys under, y'all can phase me. I'm too dope like I'm back.
I don't think I could have practiced more. And I did everything I said I was going to do as far as practicing with the mic and practicing at my mom's house twice. I'm actually genuinely excited for tomorrow to do the dry run on stage, visualize the room, feel what it's like to do it with the mic. Hopefully for the dry run I get to use the mic. That's what I'm assuming. That's always been one thing that I'm like concerned about. It's like, am I talking too loud? I can't hear myself, or there's a weird echo, or I say something, but then you hear it a second later. Like, I'm just worried that's gonna throw me off.
Are you reading Austin's book?
I'm reading it.
Oh, yeah, Ellie read it, the entire book yesterday. Or one of our boarders that boards horses at our house. Stores now. So good, so easy to make. Chicken thighs with all the fat trimmed off it. Salt and pepper. Simple. Oh, brought my ab wheel too.
You did? Go ahead and cancel Scotty's and we can purchase one for your new passenger for $2,000. How does that sound? No.
Oh.
I was like, so I'm doing you a favor
They said
by...
that to her.
Oh.
Yeah.
The airlines used that line. They said they were following this account on Instagram, like Austin.
We did decals on a jet, and I was really worried because technically you're supposed to like register the vinyl and the graphics if you put it on an aircraft. I had them sign off something that said that they weren't going to be flying the plane and it was purely for photos on the ground.
What do you guys do? I see all the, we're traveling to Reno. I'm speaking to 200 people on Tuesday about leadership, small business. Do you have your own business? Yeah.
What do you
We
do?
actually have a sign company here in town.
Okay.
We're doing a big project for the airport starting tomorrow.
Oh, congrats, man.
And then we have a coaching business where I coach small business owners.
Nice, nice.
Some for the kids.
Classic tractor that's in that new book. He's been asking me every day. I looked it up. There's one available on eBay and it's $295 because it's a collector's item. It's like it's a 1960s tractor. It's made all of tin.
The Mighty Bull was just the name that throws me off. I was like, what gave it like that?
It's like this big and it still has the original box and stuff.
And yourself, just seen you on all the stuff you're on,
Yeah,
doing all that good
awesome.
stuff. Yeah.
So you just recognized me from
I
behind
did.
and you sold the tickets?
No, I recognize you from behind.
Oh, wow.
Where are you guys off to?
We're going to Reno
Oh, yeah.
for a convention.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
For what kind?
It's the Window Film Conference.
Really?
Yeah, it's paint protection as well.
Yeah.
I'm speaking on Tuesday.
Oh,
I'm the
cool.
opening speaker. And we're launching our book. My wife and I just wrote our first book, 25 Leadership Hacks for Businesses Under 25 Team Members.
Oh, cool.
So, yeah.
Nice. And you got a pretty good following with your leadership that you're doing. Yeah.
Yep.
You guys are doing good.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah. Good for you.
Well,
Good
it was
to-
nice meeting you.
Yeah, good seeing you
I'll
also.
definitely let my mom know I saw you.
Yeah,
Thanks,
dude.
Tyson.
Good to see
Appreciate
you.
it.
Hey, Diesel, call me and I'm gon' slide. Pull up with me for a hell of a ride. You need a couple wins, they ain't doing it right. Hit up my line, we gon' turn up the night. I got a lot of wins on my dinner plate.
San Francisco. We are now boarding groups 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 to San Francisco. So please make your way to gate 2.
Did you get that?
I got
right
that.
When what?
I got that on.
Don't let the bed bugs bite, but then I knocked myself out. I should have fell to the ground unconscious, and then you guys come around and say your wishes. Would you do the speech if I died right now?
Yes, I've already prepared.
You died from cracking your head against that?
All right, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
On to the next one. On to the next one.
Also, now to go on a different flight. So now, me and Ava we're stuck here for a bit because they're going to go land earlier in Reno.
On to the next one.
Awesome. Look forward to it. Thank you. Yeah, we'll see you for the pickup. Yep, definitely. All right. Yep. I'm excited for today to do the dry run and get that practice.
Yeah, that just get it out of the way, and
then see the room because I've been picturing it for so long. But it's like, the vision is real, bro.
Look, I don't take no loss, it's simple. I'm a stand up guy, walk 10 toes. Looking in the mirror, who better than me? Got their hands high, tell them that I'm out of their reach. I know I want a few M's, so I'm up making it happen.
Technically, it's T-minus 24 hours. How you feeling?
Great. I'm excited.
83. Please welcome Austin. Go to the stage.
Look, took a few L's, but now I'm way up. You should see they reaction. Whoa, got a lot of wins on my.
And then as far as today, we just meet in the front doors.
Go to A3, yeah.
And today, can we play the video that we're going to play before? Cool. Because Michaela brought the USB, I think it was.
Okay, perfect, yeah.
Do you think I studied enough?
Yeah, that was your whole thing. You're like, I just wanted to know that I couldn't have done anything else to prepare, so.
I'm so glad too that we put the kids at the very beginning of the intro.
Yeah.
Because then that kills the vibe a little bit. Because it's like, oh, that's not how I want it.
Me and Scotty watched it, and we just felt like it flowed better. It literally felt like a movie. Me and both of them both like it
because
felt
it's
like a
like,
movie.
what is this? Like when they do the intro before the intro.
Yeah, it's the intro before the intro. Yeah.
No, but I've done that. Watch movies and like think I'm watching the movie.
Yeah.
And then they go over all the names of the people. It's like, oh wait, it hasn't even started. That was an intro before the intro.
Yeah.
Coming down, gotta levitate. I know my next win is the best one, so I tell them that.
How's Michaela feeling for the speech tomorrow?
Good. I'm trying to find a song. You know the song that's like, I could have gone to school to be a doctor, but instead I'm a baller.
No, I think I've heard that one.
I could have went to school to be a doctor, but I dropped out and chose to be a baller.
I'm starting to get hungry, which is perfect. My mind is sharper when I'm hungry.
Yeah, this.
I mean, you just peel the lime, stick it in there, put it in like a mason jar, and close it.
good, like
Because
a
it'll
variety.
evaporate. It'll like start breaking down everything. There's only a few that I know last.
Oh, can I do that demo?
Okay. The
That's how I
window
test other
film,
people.
We're switching that over.
Color. When they say it's color stable, we all know it's not going to turn purple in 5 years, but it's going to turn purple eventually.
Finishing
But
that piece
when you put it in like
so,
acetone, it'll
that
hold
lunch
its
is
color.
Yeah. No, I definitely want to
probably
try
in
that.
the next like 2
Yeah,
or
just
3 weeks.
mason jar,
It's all
seal it.
colors.
On to the next one. On to the next one. On to the next one. On to the next one.
Were you able to get everything?
Oh my god, I can't believe how big of a project it actually is to unwrap those 500 bobbleheads.
Like I'm like, it seems like it just be really simple.
Yeah,
I don't know if I
that
feel
was the
more
last
confident or
step.
less confident. I think I feel a little bit more confident.
We can do the.
I would
The
feel
stage
more
is just
confident.
the stage. Well, I mean, I feel more confident because I experienced the stage. I know what it's gonna look like. I just now know what everything's gonna look like. But I feel like I lost a little confidence just because I got really monotone. I feel like. But
Well, you probably just kind of got like, it's like, okay, it's just a like practice run. It's not the real thing, and you didn't know where you were time wise.
yeah.
So that's probably a part of it.
Yeah.
But I do think the fact that
And
like,
I put a lot of energy into not crying and putting it on.
yeah, no,
why you walk up,
could
'cause I was
hear- yeah, I could hear like your voice. I was like, oh no.
I thought the intro went well. I didn't fumble on my words on saying good morning. I wanted to thank WFCT.
No, you didn't fumble on your words, and you only had your dyslexia once.
I got a little scatterbrained for a while, but that's only because I didn't know how long to go for. Which annoys
So
me.
you've done both the one flat class before, and now you're just doing flat class this year.
I switched over to decorative too. Because
Oh.
we're starting up the academy, it just makes more sense for me to compete in flat than it does auto. Because when people have already reached out, are you teaching auto? I don't want to teach auto. There's too many auto academies already. Like I don't want to do flat class. So I've been lucky enough to win flat 4 times now. I won the past 2 years.
Wow.
My brother won the year before that in 22, so our shop has won 3 years in a row.
Awesome.
So it'd be nice to bring
What's
it home
the
again.
main prize?
20 flat.
Yeah, they did. I think they did bigger this year because of the anniversary, right? Yeah.
It's always been
I
a
thought
step
they were
above.
also making it more challenging. I heard. I don't know.
They posted a video of what they're going to do with the window system. They took the original window system, which was about 3x5, and they put a slanted bar in the middle, and they put another slanted bar down the middle. And they're giving us 20 minutes to do all 3 panels.
So it's odd shape.
Walk and
Coffee.
Early,
I want coffee
and
after lunch.
early dinner.
I want the biggest
Dutch Bros.
I want one of those Vegas style cups, but with cold brew.
Like a Slurpee one?
He wants a Dutch Bros.
Dutch Bros, those aren't strong. I've had Dutch Bros cold brew. For one, they like filled it all the way to the brim with ice. I'm not even kidding. I took like one big gulp and it was gone.
Smells like home.
This isn't Dutch Bros.
I swear, I need a Starbucks sponsorship. That would help so much. It's a good one. No, I know. I didn't get it.
It depends on the day if he wants foam or if he wants no foam.
Blew my wallet at BJ's.
Oh.